Bonifacio Global City, BGC, also known as the Fort, is a vibrant and modern central business district located in Taguig, Metro Manila, Philippines. This 240-hectare mixed-use estate is renowned for its thoughtfully planned urban design, combining residential, commercial, and recreational spaces. BGC is home to world-class shopping, dining, and entertainment options, making it a hub for both locals and tourists. The area is characterized by its lush parks, open spaces, and public art installations, creating a lively and engaging environment. BGC also hosts some of the country's top corporate buildings and innovative retail concepts, making it a key player in the Philippine economy. With its emphasis on sustainability and community, BGC truly redefines contemporary urban living. Additionally, BGC is known for its innovative transportation solutions, including Moovr, a bike and e-scooter sharing service. Moovr provides a convenient and eco-friendly way to navigate the city, promoting a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle for its residents and visitors. The e-scooters from Moovr are particularly popular, offering a quick and efficient way to travel short distances within BGC, reducing traffic congestion and carbon emissions.
Sige na! Go ka kasi! Sige na! Ano ba to? Go!
Ayaw pa niya na.
Gago! Lintik!
Ano na ginagawa?
It's Leo.
Ay,